Hi, what is today? The 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo, 2016. I've got a Singer Touch and Sew sewing machine for sale. I'm going to demonstrate a little bit of stitching on it. I'm not a seamster, so I can't show you anything cool, but I do believe I can throw together a few stitches on that little piece of cotton square down there. I've already got the machine threaded and we're ready to go. So I'll put this down. Actually, I'll just leave it going right here and see if I can do everything in one fluid motion without making too many mistakes. Not very likely considering my past experiences. Okay, let's see if we can go up a little bit, get a better shot of something. Okay, there it is. Let's see if we can make this work. Probably going to need some scissors. Okay, so we've got scissors, we've got it together. So we're going to start out with this piece of fabric. I'm going to turn the screen so I can possibly see what I'm doing. Okay, so here's my fabric. We're going to stay consistent since this edge is already folded in. We're going to fold our end in, our edge in. And we'll put it under here. Start right there. Flip that switch and back. Again, this is nothing pretty, but I'm going to try to make it look halfway decent. Okay, so that's on there. We hold on to those. We touch the foot pedal. How's that drag? Now let's see what the pressure does here. Okay. First one was successful, so now we'll see if we can walk this through. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Well, you know what I forgot to do? If you know how to sew, and I obviously don't, something that is a good idea is putting it in reverse to lock it into place. Okay, then we'll go back down here. There we go. And we push that up. Pull up the needle so it doesn't get in our way. Oh yes, and we pull that out as if we know what we're doing. Okay, that one went nicely. Now, there's a bit of an ugly end on here. We're going to pretty it up just a tad. Okay, so that's what the first, we left some stitches on there. Amateur. But I do remember stating that I am not a seamster, so I don't know how to do this. I'm not very good at this. I'm just learning how. I typed in seamster on my email program, and it doesn't know what I'm talking about. It offered a suggestion, suggesting seamstress. Of course you mean seamstress, right? I said, no, I'm not a seamstress. I'm also not a seamster, as you can tell by the way I struggle to make anything happen. Okay, under here again, we are all set up. The pressure operated just fine. Hold on to those strings and back if you're like me and you forget every once in a while. Okay, there's that. Now let's see if we can make another nice run. Okay, this almost looks square. Not likely. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, hold on. Oh, let's push that foot down. It operates so much better when you do things the right way. Not that I would know. Oh yeah, pretty. let's back it up and lock it in. Oh, sweet. Okay, then we bring it back down. Okay, lift up on that thing, and again, we'll pull on that string. Oh, this works nice. If I didn't know any better, I would think that I have done this before. Well, I have, but only enough to know how to thread it. Okay, let's get rid of some of these things so it looks, you know, kind of birdy. Okay, that works well. Now, pretty soon here, you know, we just might get fancy. Okay, so we'll clean up this stitch, and we'll clean up this scraggler, this stray, and over here. You know, this is kind of fun. I could almost turn this into a pocket and put it on my pants, just to be fun. Not the ones that I'm wearing, of course. Probably hurt, but I can't get my leg underneath that anyway. Okay, here we go. Squaring this off. We'll start down here. We'll start up here. Okay, drop that down. Hold on to that, put that into place. And now, here we go. Take it away. I did it again. I forgot to back it up. When I started, which means those threads might not be locked into place very well. Big scissors. You don't need scissors this big when you're doing this kind of work. Actually, all I'm doing is demonstrating that this machine does work. I think this is a fine machine. I don't need any more but a little bit bigger machine. It's still an old one, but it works fine. I mean, I bought a bigger one that can go through leather. You know, this one might even go through leather. Okay, so this is the finished product so far. Pretty cool, isn't it? Let's do something else with the... Oh, these were wide stitches, maybe. Okay, fine materials, regular materials. That's regular. Throw plate position, that's intact. Power, reverse. We don't want to go fine. Stitch length. Let's go up a little bit higher and see what happens with the stitch length. Okay, so I'm going to start down here. And we've increased it to 15. Okay, that down into place. Hold on to this thread. Oh yes, and I forgot to back it up again. Okay, so here we will back it up. And then we'll go forward again. And open that up. Pull the needle up and pull it back. Oh, this is a nice working machine. Maybe I didn't have to go get my big machine. Okay, so now if you look, I'll bet you can't see the difference. I know I can't. Although one is dark blue and one isn't. Wonder why that is. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I guess that's all I can do. I can't do zigzag. But that's okay. Maybe I could if I knew what I was doing. But this machine does work fine. I'm going to go up a little bit higher and see what happens next. And then, you know, I almost feel like okay, this time we start and then we back it up. And then we go back and we go forward again. So now we're locked into place. It's the first time I've done that correctly, I think. I don't like going that fast because I don't know what I'm doing. There we are, right to the end. Back it up again. Make sure that that's locked into place with some good stitching. And we go this way again, and we know that it's locked into place. Pull it out, cut those pieces, trim off a little bit of excess stuff. So now we know that, oh, this machine looks good and it sounds good and it functions well. But you thought I was going to say good again. I don't like to say good all the time or frequently. So now I wonder, oh I wonder, do. Wonder what else I could do. Since I've got such a limited knowledge of sewing, there's not much else I can do. If only I had knowledge of attachments or something. But I don't. Okay, I'm going to try to put my initials. Well, you know what? This is kind of irritating me. I got this little section here that's in my way. It keeps popping up. I'm going to lay it down. Pull those two threads to the back. Drop the pressure foot. One, two. Buckle my shoe. And now we're going to go in reverse. Oh, I like that. And now we'll go back on down. And put it in reverse again. And a little more, come on, a little more. Okay, good. Pull the needle up. Good. Slide it out the back. Good. Oh, that works sweet. So if you want yourself a nice machine, here it is. I'm in Waukesha, Wisconsin, just outside of Milwaukee. This machine even has a cover. Let's throw the cover on there so you can appreciate the vintage a little bit more. I'm not done playing. That's why I'm keeping it lit up. But there's the case. Pretty spiffy, no? Okay, so we lift that up. I'm going to tinker a little bit. You're welcome to watch me struggle a little bit more. This or have fun, as the case may be. Okay, so we're done going that way. What else can I do if I can't think of anything else to do? I would like to know why there's blue thread that turned black. I wonder somehow I got something mixed up here. Oh, that's not supposed to be up there. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so now that I've got those in the right place again, yeah, we'll just run another parallel. Another parallel stitch. Oh, hold on to that thread, otherwise it's going to get pulled. And don't forget to back up. If you don't back up, you don't get her locked into place. Maybe. There we go. 3 times should be the charm. Oh boy, I'm close to the edge. Okay, let's back it up here too, because, you know, we like to keep it in place. Yeah, that's good. We'll go forward again. And that should do it. And we pull all that back out. And you can see, after we pretty this up a little bit, we don't want all those threads hanging out. You might think I'm an amateur like I've declared. Well, I declare. Somebody used to say that a lot. Well, I declare. Oh, but that was a woman that said that. I don't want to be sounding like a woman. As I talk about sewing. But, there we go. Hey, you know what might be kind of cool? Is to turn this into a pocket. And I've got a pair of pants to do it. I've got a pair of pants to do it too. Sort of. Okay. Here's my, it's just a chunk of denim. It's a chunk of denim. And I'm going to turn this into a pocket. And I'm going to put this pocket, how do I want to make that pocket? I'm going to make this pocket just like this. Okay. Now this looks like a pretty good place to put a pocket. So, without any further ado, oh, I wish I knew where the threads were. Darn. Oh, good thing I double checked. Good thing I double checked. See, this is all just for demonstration, so I don't have to be worried about putting it in the wrong place. Because I can't put it in the wrong place when I'm just tinkering around. Okay, so first, oh, that's way too far away. So we started twice, and we're going reverse twice. And we're going to reverse 3 times. Now we'll go forward again. All that down. And we should be good. Too far. But that's okay. Now we're going to lift this up. Going to spin it around. Drop her down. And try it again. Oh, it doesn't like that. There we go. Back it up a little bit, because we do want those first stitches to work. And off we go. I wasn't paying attention. Yes, I was. Back it up. Good. And we're going to go forward, but first we're going to spin it around. Okay, yeah, that's working swell. Okay. Way too far back. There we go. That's where we want to be. Now we back it up. Nice and strong, and here we go. Oh, sweet. Back it up to lock it into place. Oh, sweet. Let's back it all the way up and see what it looks like. Kind of ugly. Yeah, we don't want to do it that way. But I'll tell you, I'm thinking that I should back it up one more time. There we go. Pull the needle up, pull it out, cut the threads, and let's see what happens if we try to put it in our new pocket. Look at that. Pretty cool. Not very deep, but this is all just, you know. What does it look like on the other side? Are you wondering what it's looking like on the other side? Let's find out. Look at that. There are no nests. You know, sometimes if you have the tension wrong or you just don't know what you're doing, you'll get a nest, which is just a lot of garbage threads on the backside. Or if you don't know what you're doing, you might even be lucky enough to get big nests on the front side. Again, I wasn't trying to be artsy here, obviously, but the machine works well. So if you want a machine that's going to do the work for you, this machine is available. Brad Wilkins, 262-327-6393. Brad Wilkins, 262-327-6393. This machine is in Waukesha. Give me a call. Let's find out what you think it's worth. Maybe I can sell it to you. Thanks for tuning in.